Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do your first triple under jump. A triple under is where you jump and the rope makes 3 rotations under your feet before you hit the ground. A triple under not only looks really cool, it sounds really cool. It's a very impressive jump rope move, and it's certainly an advanced jump rope move. Before trying to do triple unders, it's a good idea that you're pretty proficient at doing double unders. So maybe once you're able to do 25, 50, or even more double unders in a row, you should try to do triple unders. When I first started jumping rope, I had a goal of learning how to do a few double unders in a row. And naturally, once I was able to do a couple double unders in a row, I wanted to do more and more, all the way until I was able to do at least 100 good double unders in a row. And once I was able to do that, I wanted to learn how to do triple unders. And I set a goal for myself to be able to do at least 10 triple unders in a row. And I was extremely ecstatic when I achieved that goal. So much so that I stopped doing triple unders. I'd worked so hard to get to doing 10 triple unders in a row, just didn't even want to do them after that point. But I got to start doing them again because they're really fun and they look really cool. One thing that I want to say is, I'm definitely not the best person at doing triple unders. There are some amazing people online that can perform triple unders like crazy. But I do think that the advice that I can teach in this video is very helpful. It's what I used to learn how to do my first triple under, and hopefully this advice will work for you as well. One of the most common pieces of advice for doing triple unders is simply to jump higher and spin the rope faster. But I was having no luck with that. The faster I was trying to spin the rope, often I started using my arms and I started swinging the rope wildly. And when I tried to jump higher, I often bent my legs a lot. And oftentimes when I was spinning the rope would get stuck in my legs. I soon learned through trial and error, one of the most important things for doing triple unders is timing. Timing is so important when you're learning how to do triple unders. And to show you what I mean, I'm going to show you a short clip here where I do a triple under from a complete standstill position. So I'll be jumping with no momentum. The form won't be too good because, as I said, I won't have any momentum, and I'll be beginning with the rope behind my back. So I'll have to spin the rope, or swing the rope rather, over my head. So it's not going to look that pretty, but I want to illustrate that you can accomplish a triple under even from a complete standstill with no momentum if you have good timing. And then afterwards, I'll show you how you can learn a triple under using the basic single jump, then a double under, and then the triple under. I'll give you a few key pointers which you can use to help nail a triple under.
I bend my knees as the rope is going over my head, but I don't actually jump off the ground until just before the rope approaches the ground. Doing this means that after just jumping off the ground about 1 inch, the rope has already passed under your feet once. So then while you are in the air, all you have to do now is spin the rope twice quickly. Do a double under plus that 1 rotation, you've completed a triple under.
One thing that I want to point out, when I first started learning how to do triple unders, I wasn't using a special rope. I was just using a basic PVC jump rope, just like this, not a speed rope or anything. And I wasn't shortening the rope. I was just using the normal length that I use when I do any other jump rope trick. The shorter the rope, the faster it will spin over your head. So that can help to learn a triple under. But if you have good timing, that's not necessary. You can do a triple under using normal rope length.
Here, I do 2 single hops, followed by 2 double unders, then a triple under. It's not necessary to do this. That said, however, when learning to do your first triple under, I think it is very helpful to do a few single hops first, before doing 1 or more double unders, and then a triple under. The reason has to do with speed, rhythm, and timing. When I do the single hops, I am not spinning the rope fast at all. In fact, I am trying to spin the rope slowly on purpose, in order to time my jump so that I jump just as the rope is approaching the ground. Then, when I do the double unders, I also try to jump just as the rope approaches the ground, and I don't spin the rope too fast, nor do I jump that high. Then, and this is key, as soon as I land on the ground on the toes and balls of my feet, after doing the second double under, I explosively push off the ground in order to jump straight up in the air, high, and at the same time, I greatly increase the speed at which I spin the rope. Doing these three things, timing, explosive jump, and rope spinning speed, will help you nail your first of many triple unders. So just to recap, when I do the single hops, I'm spinning the rope slowly. When I do the double unders, I'm spinning the rope just a little bit faster. And then when I do the triple under, I spin the rope much faster.
One great tip that I did learn online from boxing trainer Ross Enamite is conditioning your wrists to spin around quickly 3 times. If you've practiced doing double unders a lot, you've probably conditioned your wrists, or you've gotten the habit of only spinning your wrists quickly twice, which is what you need to do in order to accomplish a double under. But for a triple under, you have to spin the rope 3 times quickly using your wrist. So you have to practice spinning the rope 3 times using your wrist. Not just twice, but 3 times. You got to keep practicing that. Get in the habit of spinning the rope 3 times using your wrists. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful.